This completely alters everything. Now is the time to take a closer look at every Galaxy S24 lineup based on the most recent, most reliable leaks, thanks to Ice Universe. Samsung is indeed switching to flat displays across all of their products. The S23 Ultra is the last of its kind, ending Samsung's legendary run of their recognizable Edge display. The S24 Plus will have the slimmest bezels of the entire lineup, and it will have similar WQHD Plus solution as the S24 Ultra model. However, what's really bonkers is that all three models will have a 2500 nits brightness, according to the most recent report from Ice Universe. For those who prefer Edge displays, this may be great news, but for those who do not, this will be the reality. Now that Samsung is switching to a flat display, the S23 Ultra will actually appear more bezel-less compared to the S24 Ultra, which is just insane to think. However, that is to be expected when you switch to a flat display, so let me know what you think about it. This is undoubtedly our best look yet at how the whole S24 lineup will appear on the front display. For those who are curious, this is how the S24 Ultra will compare to the iPhone 15 Ultra and the 14 Pro. It is clear that the S24 Ultra will perform significantly better than the 14 Pro, though the 15 Ultra appears to have slightly slimmer bezels. Of course, we are unsure of what Samsung will do with the phone's back. It's likely that there won't be many significant changes, but again, a lot will be revealed in the coming days. Next, all of the S24 version's batteries appeared at a Korean certification facility that exposes their capacity. The S23 Plus will have a 4900 mAh battery, up from 4700 on its predecessor, while the ordinary S24 will have a 4000 mAh battery, up from 3900 on the S23. The S24 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery, the same as the S23 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.